President Trump on Tuesday announced the United States will join the 1 Trillion Trees initiative launched at the World Economic Forum as world leaders seek to combat climate change. Trump made the announcement during an address to global business leaders gathered for the annual event in Davos, Switzerland. "We're committed to conserving the majesty of God's creation and the natural beauty of our world," Trump said, adding that the U.S. will continue to show strong leadership in restoring, growing and better managing our trees and our forests. The announcement that the U.S. will join the initiative drew some of the most sustained applause of any portion of Trump's 30-minute speech, which focused mostly on his administration's accomplishments and the strength of the U.S. economy. That economic message contrasted with other world leaders who used the forum to highlight issues like climate change and global collaboration. Climate change was a central issue leading up to this week's World Economic Forum. The 1 Trillion Trees initiative followed remarks by an ecologist last year that planting 1.2 trillion trees could neutralize carbon dioxide emissions. Trump has been asked repeatedly at gatherings with foreign leaders about his views on climate change and the environment. He declared Tuesday that he's a very big believer in the environment and earlier this month told reporters he does not believe climate change is a hoax, as he once claimed. But environmentalists have been alarmed his administration's policies, including rolling back regulations meant to curb air and water pollution and withdrawing the U.S. from the Paris Climate Agreement.